what do I do if I'm installing and I have different floors in my house? How can I finish my COREtec floor before going to a new COREtec floor, a new floor altogether?
Okay, there's different transition pieces that you can use. The first thing you'll have with any of the transition pieces is a track. This track has to be put in first. All these transitions will snap into that. That's what holds them in place. And that can be installed with a TTT adhesive, depending, regardless if it's wood or concrete. Once that it's installed and you got your floor in, so the first one I'll show you is a reducer. And this is designed to go from your COREtec floor down to nothing. So if you had bare concrete, bare plywood, or a floor that had some sheet vinyl down, you would use a reducer strip. That reducer strip basically is designed to snap into the track, just like that, and reduce down to the floor.
Okay.
As you can see there, it makes a nice transition with a slight ramp so it don't bump your toe or stub your toe as you come across it. So the next transition we'll talk about is the baby threshold. So the baby threshold is designed to transition down to carpet. So if you had that piece of carpet that was going to butt up against that, that would give you a nice transition between your COREtec and your carpeting. And it would allow your floor to float and give you a nice finished edge.
Okay, so now what if we're going from COREtec to COREtec, but it's just a different visual?
So if you have a COREtec going through a doorway, there's no transition required as long as it will lock together. But if you're changing products or changing directions of product, at that time you'd have to use what we call a T-mode. Okay. So we'll slide that tile into place. As you can see, these two products are very similar in thickness and height. So you could use a T-mode, and what that's designed to do is to bridge across two products that are similar in thickness. So basically that same way that would snap into place, just like so, and you can use a rubber mallet once you start that to kind of tap that transition down. And it makes a nice smooth transition between the two products.
Okay, yeah, this looks really nice, and I love that this is the a coordinating finish to the plank visual. That's really nice as well. So how long after this is installed do I need to wait before I return my space to regular use?
So if you're using the TTT adhesive, that's usually around 2 hours before you want to walk on it. If you're using other means like nails, screws, things like that in a wood substrate, it'd be immediately.
Okay, okay. So to recap, our three different types of transitions are the reducer, which reduces down to nothing. Then we have our baby threshold, which kind of looks like a little baby stair nose, and this is for going to carpet.
Yes.
And then our T-mold is shaped like the letter T.
Yes, exactly.
Where it gets its name. Okay. Thanks, Lamarta, for walking us through all this information today.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.